Since I made this post about Google Map yesterday, a lot of people have been sending me DMs, asking me questions about how they can get clients, how they can get started. And to be honest, I can't answer everybody. So that's why I'm recording this video, to show you how you can actually get clients. So let me show you a simple method I always use. Right, so this is the website I always use to get clients. So I have a lot of them. So what I'm going to do is quite simple. What this website does is that it helps local business owners to create website for their business. As you can see here, they said starting at 8,000 per year, so you can have your business website. But I don't think you have a domain, so you just have a URL. So which I'm not recommending for business that want to rank on Google, because you need your own domain to rank well on Google. So what I do is I stroll, I come down here, I stroll to the category where I now choose any category I want to, any niche I want to work with. From here, as you can see, we have art and humanities, business and economy, computer and internet. So we have a lot of them. So I'm just going to pick one. But before you start scraping, you have to have your lead generation um file that you are going to use to store your leads. So this is my own. So I'm just going to demonstrate about one or two of these things so that you can see. So what we are going to do here is that we're going to look for businesses that are not on Google. So there's a difference between businesses that are not on Google and the businesses that are on Google but are not ranking. So, but what we are going to do is just search for business that are not on Google. So I'm just going to pick, one or two businesses. So let me choose business and economy. So I'm going to go to maybe engineering. So do you see, even under business and under this category, they still have some categories, subcategories, so you can see it here. So I'm going to go for construction company. So from here now, you can start to see different business here. Do you see? We have a lot of businesses here. So all you need to do is just to take your time, go through it one after the other. So let me just pick any random business here. So let me just choose this Damarcade Nigeria Limited. So now, if you want to check if they are on Google or not, copy it, copy their name, you open a new tab, then paste it. So I use two methods to check if they are on Google. So I'll search for it here. Then I will also go to map, Google Map, map.google.com, then paste it. So here now it's showing that they are on Google, but no review, nothing. So this one is another thing. So as you can see, this is their online presence. So now they are on Google, so I don't need to stress myself in maybe reaching out to them again. So I'll look for another business and pick another business. So let me pick another business. Let me pick this one. This NCI Summit. So this one sound like a government organization. So but let me ignore that and look for another one. So let me maybe click next. So let me click next and look for another one. So now see this one, Apotec Roofing System. So now I'll copy this one as well. Copy it. Then copy. So come here and I'll paste this one here now. Control A, Control V. Then I'll search for it. So they are this one also, they are on Google. So as you can see, they have 4 review. So now let's look for another business and pick. So let's pick another business. So we have Solar Metal and Canopies Construction Limited. So we copy this one as well. We do the same thing. So this is how you keep on checking. You keep on checking. As it being, I'm not looking for what's it called? Those that are not on Google at all. I have seen one or two that I can work with that surely they will need my service. So this one is on Google as well. So now let's check for this O Santos interior planner. So copy this, come here. So and do the same thing, paste. So now I don't think this one have Google business profile. So now to confirm it, they have Google business profile, come to map. So I'll paste their name here and search for it. So now they are not on Google. They are not on Google Map. As you can see, when I enter their name, the everything changed. So it changed from Osantos to Star. What's it called? So now This one don't have Google Business Profile. Now, how do I get their contact details? So you are going to click on the business here. It's going to open in a new tab. So here now you're going to see everything about the business. Do you see? Do you see everything about them? Scroll down where you will be able to see their, you see their WhatsApp number. You see, call or WhatsApp. So from here now you can pitch them. You can just copy it. So I'm just going to copy this name, copy their name like this, Control C, copy it, take it to my lead generation, paste it here, then copy their phone number. This is their WhatsApp number, copy it as well, copy it, bring it here and paste. So there are some whereby you see their email address. So now let me go back and try another one to see this global investment. So I'm going to copy this also and try it here again. Control V, then check if they are on Google or not. So this one's on Google. This one is on Google. So as you can see, but I'm seeing another thing I can see pitch them, but that's not where we are going. So you see the method. So now if I want to, let's try this one as well. Let's see, copy, paste, Control V. So let's see this one if they are on Google or not. So now I don't think this one, this one's they are on Google. So I'm going to check, search for them on Google Map as well. So let's see. So they are not on Google. They are not on Google Map. As you can see, they are not on Google Map. So now what I'm going to do, also copy their details. So I'm going to paste their details here as well. So like I said, I'm only going to demonstrate two. So this is the same method you are going to use to scrape any number you want to scrape. So this is how you are going to scrape all the number you are going to scrape. So now this means that if someone searches for, you see, all these businesses now, they are not going to get their Google Business Profile. So let's say I'm searching for swimming pool ventures in Abuja or whatever. Now they are not going to show, except I do it with their name, which is not, nobody wants to do that. So now after I've gotten their details, everything here, so let me go and copy this one's number. So now let me copy their number. I'm going to open this one to copy their number. Let me close this tab. So to get their number, the same method, you are going to scroll down here. You see, scroll down and you see their number here. So I can just copy the two numbers. So copy it here, Control C, then Control V here. So I've gotten their numbers. So now what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send them code DM and pitch my service to them. That's what I'm going to do. But right now, they are not on Google and they need it for their business to go. No, this is opportunity. Like you approach them, that you help them set up their Google Business Profile, optimize it, and like you are solving their visibility problem. That's just it. So there are other ways you can find business like this. There are other ways. They have a lot of ways you can find them. That even any country you can find them. Any country. There are other ways you can do that. So this is just one simple method I use always. And one thing is that finding them is just one step. Knowing how to approach them, what to say, how to verify their profile, optimize it properly, and turn it into paid job. That's the real structure. And to be honest, I have broke down the entire process step by step, including my blueprint. So I can show you. I have a Telegram channel whereby I teach people how to do this thing. So if you want to join, the link is in the bio. So let me show you the Telegram channel. So we have about, I think, 136 or 137 students in the Telegram channel. So if you want to join, just click the link just click the link around this video and join. Let me show you. This is the channel. So as you can see, we have 137 students here so far. So click the link and you can join us.